Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best fourth-generation Apple iPad Air with 64GB of storage. This device, released in 2020, offers a perfect blend of power, portability, and premium design, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their tablet experience. Right from the start, the iPad Air 4 impresses with its stunning 10.9-inch liquid Retina display. The screen is bright and sharp, with a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels, delivering crisp text and vibrant colors. Whether you're streaming videos, editing photos, or browsing the web, the visuals are immersive and pleasing to the eye. The slim bezels around the display and the sleek rose gold finish give this iPad a modern, sophisticated look. Under the hood, the iPad Air 4 packs Apple's A14 Bionic chip, which provides fast and efficient performance. This means smooth multitasking, speedy app launches, and the ability to handle graphic-intensive games or creative apps without breaking a sweat. The device comes with 6GB of RAM, further enhancing its responsiveness and allowing you to switch between tasks effortlessly. This model features 64GB of internal storage, suitable for users who need space for apps, documents, photos, and videos. While it may not be the largest storage option available, it strikes a balance for everyday use and casual media consumption. Connectivity-wise, this version of the iPad Air offers both Wi-Fi and cellular capabilities, giving you the flexibility to stay connected wherever you go, without depending solely on Wi-Fi networks. The inclusion of Bluetooth allows for easy pairing with accessories like wireless headphones, keyboards, and the Apple Pencil. Speaking of accessories, the iPad Air 4 supports the second-generation Apple Pencil, which magnetically attaches to the side for charging and storage. This is ideal for artists, students, and professionals who want to sketch, take notes, or mark up documents with precision and ease. In terms of audio, the iPad Air 4 comes equipped with stereo speakers that deliver clear and balanced sound. Whether you're watching movies or participating in video calls, the audio experience is solid and immersive. The device runs on iPad OS 14 out of the box, providing a smooth, intuitive interface with features tailored specifically for the iPad. This includes multitasking options like split view and slide over, as well as a robust app ecosystem optimized for the larger screen. Physically, the iPad Air 4 is lightweight, weighing just about 1 pound, and has a thickness of 0.24 inches, making it easy to carry around and comfortable to hold during extended use. The build quality is premium, featuring an aluminum chassis that feels sturdy and durable. In the box, you'll find a USB data cable for charging and syncing. While the product is listed as renewed, it's been professionally inspected, tested, and cleaned to meet high standards, ensuring full functionality and a reliable user experience. Overall, the fourth-generation Apple iPad Air with 64GB is a fantastic tablet for anyone who wants a powerful device with a beautiful display, solid performance, and a sleek design. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who enjoys media on the go, this iPad Air ticks a lot of boxes without reaching the premium price levels of the Pro line. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights.